I'm Barbie and welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I know the situation right now in the world is hectic. It's like insane. It's driving me so crazy. I know you are getting really very bored because you have to stay in the house 24/7. I know how that feels. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you some amazing things you can do while you're at home. So I decided to divide it into two parts. First part is relaxing things to do, and the second is okay, so first part is relaxing things to do when you're bored, and the second part will be the entertaining things you can do while you're bored and you're in home. So yeah, let's start with the video. Number one is pampering yourself. Go for a manicure or pedicure, not in the parlor but at home itself. There are millions of videos on YouTube how you can do manicure or pedicure at home itself, or you can go for a hair spa or anything. Just pamper yourself. See this? Isn't it pretty? Second is experiment with your hair. Like you can do a lot of hairstyles. You can crimp your hair, curl your hair, straighten your hair, make wavy curls, etc, etc, etc. Like look at me, how fun. Have you seen me anywhere doing a hairstyle like this? I don't really experiment with my hair, but because I'm bored, yeah, I did it. How fun, you guys.
Tell me I'm cute. Please, tell me. Of course.
Number third will be taking long showers. I am obsessed with taking long showers. I take like nearly 2 hours during the summer. So yeah, if you haven't taken a long shower in a while, go have it and then thank me later. On number 4 is my favorite thing to take a nap. Yeah, I love sleeping. Like it kills half of my day and I'm obsessed. I love sleeping. Like who doesn't love sleeping? It's so relaxing and I'm obsessed with sleeping. I sleep all day, all night. If I can, I would have slept for 24 hours a day. Oh, that's too much. Number 5th is go through your old pictures and videos. Just go and watch those. I've been watching a lot of my school time videos and pictures like Teachers Day, Children's Day, Parents Day, etc, 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 and I'm feeling so nostalgic about those days. Like yeah, you should definitely do that. It will help you a lot while you are bored. Number 6 is DIY. You have a lot of DIY options. Go to YouTube or Instagram, you will get a bunch of DIY videos like go for fashion, beauty, or even you can DIY cookies and snacks at home itself so that you can enjoy while watching your favorite movie. The last option in this category is to cuddle with your pet if you have some, or with your boyfriend or girlfriend, whoever you're with. I have none of that. भाई इसके कट करो, ये option cancel. Now comes the entertaining things. First one, to everyone know, like everyone is already doing that at home, which is Netflix and chill. Yeah. What's Netflix? What's Amazon Prime Videos? What MX Players? These sites are so helpful when you're bored at home and also when you're alone. Second option is to shop online. Yes, girl, this is the time to shop. Go for window shopping, go for actual shopping. You can shop all day, all night from different websites. Wow. Third option is watch your favorite movies or favorite web series. Like I am obsessed with Friends and I watch them all day, all night. Like I never get bored of Friends. Also Big Bang Theory. So yeah, watch your favorite movies or watch something which you have been planning to watch but you didn't got time to watch. If you're missing your friends or your family or your cousins, go and have a FaceTime with them. You can't meet them obviously. Please don't go out to meet anyone. Like coronavirus is not a joke, you guys. So yeah, I hope you understand and stay home. Talk to your friends and family through FaceTime. It's the best option. On number 5th, I'm gonna say you make a new bucket list. My half of my bucket list is screwed due to this virus because I thought of traveling a lot this year, but I don't think so it's possible. So yeah, make a new bucket list. Anything like things you wanna do, things you wanna learn. Like I have been planning to learn bachata for a long time now, and I think I'm gonna start learning. Number 6 is I know you all have been doing that since childhood. Sing and dance to your favorite song, like make a hall. Like make your bedroom a concert stage and enjoy your own freaking concert. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys loved it. See you all on my next video. Bye!